Hi everyone, this is Ali for the Fab Fabric Shop. I am here with the July Solid Essentials fabric. I will be unboxing today to see what this month's fabulous colors are going to be. I can't wait to get started. In case you didn't know, the Solid Essentials is a monthly subscription where you get 3 yards of fabric shipped to you for $25. Each fabric is a solid color and it can either be 1 yard, 2 yard, 3 yards, depending on how the cuts are done, and you will get that shipped directly to you. It's charged on the 1st of the month, ships out by the 5th of the month. That way you have something fun and exciting for yourself every month. Something you don't know what you're planning on, and it's kind of exciting. I'm really excited. This is my first one, and let's get started and see what we have. I had my husband open up the top for me so I wouldn't see what was in there yet. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love this color. Get some sunlight on it over here. Ah, this is beautiful. It looks like it's a crepe. Let me see here. It is a crepe. It is rayon viscous crepe knit, and we do have a 4-way stretch, it looks like. There's the vertical, there's the horizontal, so there's a little more vertical than horizontal stretch. And let's see, this color is Marsala. I hope you guys can see that. Alright, this is gorgeous. This is so drapey. See, very bouncy, very drapey. Make a cute skirt. Very spicy and twirly. What's our next color? Oh, this is perfect for summer. This is beautiful. What color is this? This is Blue Ocean. A little bit more see-through, but not where you're gonna see, you know, your underwear or anything underneath. So it's nice and lightweight. Like I said, it's super bouncy. I don't know if you can see the crepe texture to it. It's not a really dramatic crepe. It's a nice lightweight crepe. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. Oh, now I need to decide what I'm gonna make with it. Thinking I definitely need a top. Maybe from this one. And a dress from this one, or pants. Maybe I'll do pants with this. Some nice summery, lightweight, flowy pants. That'd be really cool. Well guys, I'm super excited. I can't wait for you guys to get yours and try them out. One thing I'm noticing here as I'm looking at the pack instructions, these are dry clean preferred. You can hand wash them, machine wash them, delicate, but definitely air dry. So be aware of the fabric you're sewing and what you're making with it, because you don't want to end up ruining your fabric. Hope you guys are excited as I am. Can't wait to see what I do. Bye.